Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Akash Test Series Medical 2019. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 12, code A and B in zoology. So let's get started with our very first question. Question number 136. Match column 1 with column 2. In column 1, the very first option given is Physalia. And we know that the common name for Physalia, which is a sealant trait, is Portuguese man of war. So A in column 1 goes with fourth option in column 2. The next option in column 1 is Ascaris. Ascaris belongs to the phylum Aschelminthes and it is commonly known as roundworm. So B in column 1 goes with third option in column 2. Next option in column 1 is Limulus. Limulus is an arthropod and it is commonly known as king crab. So C in column 1 goes with second option in column 2. And the last option in column 1 is octopus. Octopus is a mollusk and it is commonly known as devilfish. So D in column 1 goes with first option in column 2. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, A with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. And the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 137. Read the following statements. Statement A. Body of mollusks is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. And this statement is a correct statement because body of mollusks is unsegmented. Mollusks are unsegmented organisms and their body is distinctly divided into head, muscular foot and visceral hump. The next statement is statement B. In mantle cavity of mollusks, lungs are responsible for respiration and excretion. And this is an incorrect statement because in mollusks, feather-like gills are present in mantle cavity which assists in respiration as well as excretion. So this is an incorrect statement and these feather-like gills are called ctenidia. Now choose the correct option and the options are statement A is correct. Yes, it is a correct option. So it is a correct answer to our question. Option number 2, statement B is correct and as statement B is incorrect, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Third option is statement B is correct explanation of A and as statement B is not a correct explanation of statement A, statement B is incorrect, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. And the last option is both statements are correct and this is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 138. Choose odd one with respect to chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes are cartilaginous fishes. For example, Scoliodon, these are cartilaginous fish. Let's read the options. The very first statement is mouth located ventrally and as it is a correct statement with respect to cartilaginous fishes, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next statement is air bladder is present which regulates buoyancy and as it is an incorrect statement with respect to cartilaginous fishes, so this is a correct answer to our question because cartilaginous fishes such as Scoliodon has no air bladder and they have to swim continuously in order to avoid sinking. On the contrary, osteichthyes or bony fishes have air bladder to regulate buoyancy. The next statement is in males, pelvic fins bear claspers for copulation and as it is a correct statement with respect to cartilaginous fishes or chondrichthyes, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. And the last statement with respect to chondrichthyes is gill slits are separate and without operculum and as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. In cartilaginous fishes, gill slits are separate and lack operculum. They are not covered by gill cover called as operculum. On the contrary, bony fishes have operculum. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 139. Select the mismatch and the very first match given is Hemichordata and the match is Secoglossus and as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Secoglossus, which is commonly known as tongueworm, belongs to the phylum Hemichordata, so this is a correct match. The next match is Urochordata and the match given is Doliolum and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because Doliolum belongs to the subphylum Urochordata. The next match given is cephalochordata and the match is branchiostoma, and as it is also correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Branchiostoma or Amphioxus belongs to the subphylum Cephalochordata. And the last match given is Cyclostomata and the match is Pterophylum, and as it is a mismatch, so this is a correct answer to our question. Class Cyclostomata includes organisms like Petromycin or Lemprey and Myxine or hagfish. On the other hand, Pterophylum belongs to the class Osteichthyes. It's a bony fish. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 140. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to epithelial tissue. And the very first statement is the cells are compactly packed with little intracellular matrix, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question. It is also given in your NCERT book that the cells of epithelium tissue, they are compactly packed with little intercellular, not intracellular, but intercellular matrix. Let's read the next statement. Simple squamous epithelium is made up of a single layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries, and as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Simple squamous epithelium, which is also known as pavement epithelium, is made up of single layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries. The next statement is compound epithelium has a limited role in secretion and absorption. And as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question because compound epithelium is multi-layered, so it has a limited role in secretion and absorption. And the last statement is columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion. And as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question because columnar epithelium are found in the lining of stomach and intestine where they perform the function of secretion, and cuboidal cells are commonly found in ducts of glands and in tubular part of nephron etc. where they perform the function of secretion. So this is also a correct statement. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question.